something that has changed my school, changed my community. My small county's gone.
When a school crisis occurs, you have 1 minute or less to make decisions that will impact your students and community for a lifetime. Will you be ready?
Today's threats to school safety range from bullying, aggressive behavior, and natural disasters to potential stabbings, shootings, and acts of terrorism. Educators need the support from school safety professionals who understand the climate, culture, and school community relations aspects of K-12 schools. We at National School Safety and Security Services understand.
National School Safety and Security Services has decades of full-time K-12 experience, bringing cutting-edge knowledge, the latest best practices, common sense, and balance to keep each child, teacher, and support staff member in your care safe and secure.
Joining me now is Ken Trump.
Ken Trump is recognized nationally and internationally as a leading authority on school violence prevention, emergency preparedness, and crisis response. Ken has authored a number of books and professional articles on school safety issues. He is also a vocal and passionate advocate for increased financial assistance to schools from states and the federal government to promote safety and security.
We'll now move to Mr. Trump.
Ken Trump has been called upon by a number of national education associations, in addition to serving as an invited expert witness to the United States Senate and House of Representatives.
One of the unintended consequences of No Child Left Behind and the focus on academics today has actually pushed school safety and emergency planning to the back burner in many school districts. It's not the fact that they don't care, but the pressure on school leaders today to get the test scores up, because many of their jobs, quite frankly, are on the line to do so. School safety and emergency planning has not been as high of a priority as many wish that it should be. Cutting almost 40% in school emergency planning funding at a time where our nation's homeland security model has appropriately been focused on beefing up security and preparedness for airports, monuments, and the very hallways of the buildings in which we sit today is counterintuitive, counterproductive, and counter to the best interest of protecting children and teachers.
Recommendations from Ken and his associates regarding school violence prevention, emergency and crisis preparedness evaluations, school security assessments, and professional development training have been meaningful, practical, and cost-effective for making public, private, urban, suburban, and rural schools safer nationwide.
2 days after the Bailey, Colorado incident.
Recommendations made with educators' eye, but with outstanding expertise in analyzing security weaknesses. National School Safety and Security Services. Years of experience have resulted in expertise that balances an education system's need to be welcoming while at the same time providing a secure environment for learning. I sought the consulting services of Ken Trump because his group is the most respected in school safety. Ken Trump is experienced, thorough, deeply knowledgeable, and helpful to those of us interested in keeping our schools as safe as they can possibly be. Mr. Trump and his people are perceived as voices of reason in the complicated and complex picture of school security. Ken Trump brought expertise in all areas of security and a comprehensive knowledge of schools. Further, he brought a true sense of empathy for those who are in crisis. He works with the expertise of the CIA and the heart of a parent. Violence, terrorism, and other safety threats affect all levels of society today. National School Safety and Security Services helps educators improve school-community relations, reduce risks and potential liability, and prevent school violence. If a crisis does occur, National School Safety and Security Services will help you manage the crisis situation. Ken Trump and his colleagues deliver school safety services with a keen understanding of the unique school community dynamics. When a school incident occurs, you have 1 minute or less to make decisions that will impact your community for a lifetime. You need to be aware and prepared, not scared. National School Safety and Security Services experts bring you decades of experience working with educators and safety officials from all 50 states.
Do not wait until an incident happens at your school. Assess and improve your school's safety. Parents expect it. Children deserve it. We can provide it. Plan, prepare, and practice now.